Okay. Here. Here. That's it. Okay, back up a little bit, Sam. Okay, I'm going to have Sam come up to me like she thinks that Ellie is the cutest dog in the world. She's going to give her a big hug and kiss. Go ahead. Excuse me, stop. My dog jumps all over people. I'm trying to teach her not to. So the first thing I did is I blocked the dog, and I have to block Sam because she's acting like she doesn't know what to do. Okay, my dog jumps on people. Will you help me out? So if she'll help me, don't talk to her, touch her, look at her. Just look at me. Now wait. If she's looking at me, you can take a step closer. Good. Good. Slow, slow, slow. I'm keeping my hand right above Ellie's ear because if she goes to move, no, sit. Good, good. One step closer. Good. One step closer. Good, good. And slowly turn around and walk away a couple steps. I reward as she walks away. That was what I wanted to show. And take a step or two further. And turn around and come back. We're in limited space here. Watch. Good, good. Again, I'm ready to snap up. Good, good. Good, stop. Good. And we could talk here for a while. Hi, you having a good day? Everything going good? Yes, and I reward Ellie. We could even shake hands here. Hi, nice to meet you. Turn around and walk away. I give another cookie. Good. I'm teaching Ellie how to behave with my friends. And come on back again. Good. Oh, that was a fast turn. I want slow turns. I want boring. Boring. Sammy is so exciting usually. Good, good. Stop. Good, good. Yes. And now we could bump hands. See, I wipe my hand off. That's a courtesy. Now slowly turn around in a circle. All the way around to your face in the camera. Keep turning, keep turning, keep turning, keep turning, keep turning, keep turning. Watch. Good, good. Stop. Put this hand across your stomach and shuffle closer to us. Good, 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 good. Yes. Now I could have her walk away here, but let's take one step away, back a little bit. I'm going to show you a little trick I do with her. Off, and I don't let her touch the food and take it. Now I could do that same thing with my hand. Off, Ellie. And when she leaves my hand alone, I rub her chest. So I'm touching her without her touching me with her mouth or her paw. Put your palm right in front of her. That one. It's easier. Off. And now pet her, rub her chest. Good, sit. Now I could have Sammy walk away, or I could say, here, give her a cookie. Open your hand, turn your palm up, and then put that right under her mouth. Say, good, sit. And now you walk away. That depends on whether or not you want strangers to give your dog cookies or not. Thanks, Sam.
Yeah.
Sit. Good sit, Ellie. And that's Ellie doing a meet and greet.